Can you really make money selling AI video generation gigs on Upwork in the USA? I tested it for 30 days straight, and today I'm revealing the exact numbers, profits, refunds, and niches that actually pay. I used tools like Kling 2.0, Sora 2, and VO3 to deliver projects ranging from product demos to real estate walkthroughs. The demand for AI video gigs in the USA is booming, but the competition is fierce. In 30 days, I landed 11 projects. Entry-level gigs, like short social ads, paid between $150 to $500 per clip in the USA market. Product demos, for e-commerce brands, averaged $300 per project with lower refund risk. Music video visuals and real estate walkthroughs were the most lucrative, hitting $1,200 to $2,000 per project. Overall, I cleared $4,800 in revenue with about 12% refunds, mostly from clients testing multiple iterations. The biggest lesson: niches matter more than the AI model. Ads and product demos pay 3 to 5 times more than generic TikTok clips in the USA.